Hi there again, this is Angela from McCall Media TV, and today I'm going to be talking to you very quickly about the design and development process and the services that we provide to you and your business, both the strategy and the actual services in delivering that strategy into a real tangible sort of process that you can use. So strategy. Okay, so let's take a quick think about this. So you've got all these fabulous social media platforms and profiles, and you're doing your thing and you're sending out your social media posts and this, that, and the other. But what you really need to do is bring that into an environment that you can control, because let's face it, you do something to upset one of these social media channels and they can turn your channel off, and all that hard work will be gone in an instant. Or likewise, if somebody was to find your password and hack your account and that kind of thing, these horrible things happen. And if you put all of your energy into the external strategies but you never think about how to bring them internally under your control, then you're leaving yourself quite vulnerable. So some of the strategies that we like to talk about is basically a digital sales funnel, which is basically how you attract and pull into you your business environment that you can control, your digital audience, as it were. So they will be things like your adverts that will take people through on a click to a landing page. Landing pages will have things like Facebook pixels, monitoring the traffic that is arriving there so that you can do retargeting adverts to them and that kind of thing. You've got your Google Analytics and your strategies to see where they are engaging on those pages or your website. And obviously everything that you do is obviously to try and generate a lead, a mailing list subscription, or a sale for your business, something more concrete that you can get your hands and your data on data, as it were. So that's kind of like the pulling them in. But then you've got the strategies as well about how you use your design and development skills, as it were, or our design and development skills to basically engage that audience in like tripwire strategies. Because, you know, if this person has never ever heard of your business before, they might be happy to part with their name and their email, but maybe not quite £100 or £1,000 or £100,000. It depends what your business is. You know, you could be selling houses, or you could be selling makeup. The variance in price could be quite dramatic. So you need to be able to do low cost, low risk offers first, you know, things that are maybe less than a tenner, to sort of build that sort of encouragement that you deliver on your promise, on whatever it is that you're selling, and the audience has this wow factor with you, and so they'll go on to the next level and purchase something a little bit more meaty, and then again and again. So it might actually take a 3 or 4, maybe 5-step process, or even longer, to build that audience's confidence up into those big ticket kind of sales that you're looking for as a business. So those are strategies that you need to think about. But of course, behind all of those strategies is the design and technology and the development process that basically works it as an automation. So from how you engage your email marketing list, how you add tags to those people that join your mailing list so that you can see whether they clicked on the header or a button or a photo on that email or on a website page. And so you can track your engagement. And obviously then you're going to need your websites, whether you have membership sites, and use those as lead magnets. The list of opportunities and things that I can give you here with regards to design and development skills that we can help you with is endless, because it could go from things like your graphic design, the layout and fancy styling of all of those landing pages, to something as more complex as configuring different levels in a membership site or doing your video editing. I mean, at the end of the day, knowing the big picture and where you are trying to go to helps us help you, which is why we here at McCall Media basically work in a slightly different way, as more like an outsourced or in-house but outsourced department of your business, as opposed to just some sort of supplier that is basically designing your logo today or editing your video today. Yes, we could work and operate in that way, but we like to get our hands I was going to say our hands dirty or our feet under the table, whatever the saying is. And we really like to, I don't know, get in bed with you as a company and really understand what makes you tick. Because if we get your ideas and things working in our environment, then together we're quite an awesome team, and your audience doesn't stand a chance. And that's basically the ethos behind why you need to think about your design and development processes with us, because it's not just about the clicking on this button and using that tool. It's about the strategy that makes it work and engage with your audience.